Every day, tens of millions of Americans and thousands of construction companies across the nation spend their days building the modern American landscape. The work performed by these men and women touches every aspect of our lives. The houses we live in, the roads we take to work, the school our kids go to, all made possible through the hard work, pride, and perseverance of those industry professionals. These are the story of those projects and people that help build America. Welcome to the world of construction, and this is Project Insight. For those in the blue-collar industry, there are countless choices in the lines of work to be pursued, each with their own cultures, styles, benefits, and challenges. Each line of work carrying its own weight and significance during the construction process. Dirt, concrete, utilities, asphalt, all vital, all necessary. But how do you choose? While some choose, some are chosen. For those that choose utilities, or rather the ones that are chosen, they join a team of subterraneans, a select group of men who choose life beneath the surface. A life in the trenches.